I come to an exhibition, I've always got to come to Inkcups because it's quite cool.
Yeah.
I like it, it's quite cool. Adam, do you want to introduce yourself first of all?
So I'm Adam Cohen, I'm the Northeast Territory Sales Manager for Inkcups.
Fantastic. Now, this is the machine you said you're really pushing at this show.
Correct. This is a new technology for Inkcups. We're the leaders in the inkjet marketing, inkjet decorating space.
Yep.
And we had launched a flatbed like this machine, which was the X5 years ago, and it became a very, very popular machine for us. And what we've seen in the marketplace is a need to do different products that have the ability to throw ink further and not have the need to have your print heads closest to the part of a 2 millimeter space.
Without spraying out.
Without spraying, overspray, holding registration. So we developed this high throw inkjet flatbed, which has a 43 by 24 bed size and can throw ink anywhere from 6, 8, 10, 12, and even up to maybe 15 or 16 millimeters,
really?
Which gives you the ability to do mugs and inkjet around a curve in a larger print area, or something like a sport ball.
Yeah.
The machine has a 20-inch part height drop, so you can also load coolers and bags, and we have basketball, sport balls, and things like that.
You get a basketball in there. Whoa.
We can get a basketball in there.
Because that's been a real limiting factor with this sort of promotional stuff. You need almost specialist equipment previously.
Correct. It narrows the scope of what somebody can use the equipment for. So by dropping the table to 20 inches and by having high throw, which gives you the ability to throw ink much further around curves and shaped objects and hold registration, opens up your ability to print so many different items.
I'm quite impressed with this jig.
Yes.
Because presumably this looks like it's adaptable, make different sizes.
Well, yes, it's adaptable, but the other nice thing is that if you're doing something like a mug or say a ball, when you're done printing on one side, the table, all you would need to do is just flip the part over, and then you can inkjet the second side easily without having to offload.
Okay. I mean, what's the important from a customer point of view? What are the key important areas for this? Is it speed? Is it?
So speed is always a factor in meeting their customers' needs.
Yep.
But the versatility, in my opinion, is a factor because it gives that customer the ability to offer more products that they can decorate for their customers.
Good stuff. So, okay, it's day 2 of the show now. It was quite busy yesterday. So I've not been to this show.
Yesterday was a great day.
It was, wasn't it? So are you here every year? Is Printing United a big show for you?
Yes, it is. It's important because of the customer base is right in our wheelhouse.
Right.
And those are the folks that, they come to the show to see us. It's a gathering place.
Yeah.
And not just on the show floor, but we have the ability after hours to socialize with our customers.
I get that.
Yeah.
So is this the first time this has been shown then?
This is the first show that we're showing the X5-T high throw.
Right. So, and what are people saying?
The reaction has been great. So like I mentioned, we always had an X5. Then we started with the X5-T, which is tall for drop. And because the tall allows you to put bigger and more items on there, they needed the ability to inkjet around curves, or for example, if you had a cooler with buckles or hinges, you could never decorate the area where they really needed it to be decorated because you needed to be so close to the surface. With the high throw, they no longer need to remove buckles or lids or move anything out of the way, and they can just put the product right on the on the table and print.
I'm a customer. Maybe I'm a customer of yours with a previous machine. That makes complete sense. So maybe I do exhibitions, graphics and that sort of thing. But I've got all the graphics. My customer wants some personalised items. I have to outsource to someone else. I mean, this could be something that can revolutionise your business and add revenue incrementally.
100%. And with the resources to buying merchandise or products blank, this gives you the ability, it's almost unlimited.
Okay. How big? I mean, obviously I'm from the UK, as you can probably tell. It's a big market there.
I thought you were from New Jersey.
Ah, yeah, no, that's not me. It's a huge market here, particularly around golf and events
Sure.
and all kinds of personalised stuff. But I bet it's bigger and better in America. How has the market really grown over recent years for
Well,
you?
I think the market has grown because of the technology has grown. So with that, you know, the other nice thing about the product is that the different materials you can print on this. It doesn't have to be the same material.
Okay.
So that gives you the ability to do something like a powder coat.
Okay, so these are metal, you can have plastics, you can have...
And then you have something like a sport ball. And then our ink has both the ability to be on hard surfaces and flexible surfaces.
Okay, good stuff. Well, look, I hope the rest of the show goes really well for you.
It already has.
Thank you for taking the time to talk to me.
I
Thank you.
appreciate it. Thank you.